she's got that old ball and chain look in her eye.
Leave your name with my secretary. Don't call us, we'll call you.
Cat, how do I do it? Why did you do it? What a party, brother! I never had so much fun in my life! Well, so long.
Well, you're damned if you do, and you're damned if you don't.
Please don't deactivate me.
You're despicable.
Prepare to disengage the interface.
Adios.
Sir, I'm almost afraid to ask, but does that include shutting me down too?
And now for something completely different.
Suit yourself, Doc.
I'll be back.
Well, goodbye. And don't think it hasn't been a little slice of heaven, because it hasn't.
Sir, if you'll not be needing me, I'll close down for a while.